today's recipe jeera rice. I used Hyderabadi biryani rice. This is a basmati rice. You can use any rice. So I have taken 2 cup of rice, basmati rice. You can take how much you want quantity. So first you have to soak the rice in water 10 to 15 minutes. So rice will become very so smooth and the texture will come good. So keep it 10 minutes is enough. Wash it properly and keep 10 minutes aside. So done 10 minutes and I'm using electric cooker for rice. 2 cup of rice, 4 cup of water. You can use 3.5 cup of water because soaking it used to take a little bit water. So you can use 3.5 cup for 2 cup of rice. You can see the ingredients for jeera rice, whatever is there. So now take a kadai. This is a ghee. For jeera rice, we have to use ghee only. I have taken 2 to 3 spoon ghee. You can take based on your requirement. So allow it to heat. Now jeera rice, we are using 1.5 teaspoon jeera. This is very simple recipe. We have to cook the rice and then we have to give the tadka. So allow the fry the jeera properly. Then we have to keep this all dry masalas, bay leaf, cloves, red chilies, cardamom, black cardamom, and cinnamon, raisin. So all mix it. You have to keep in ghee only. The taste will come good. Now I am using curry leaves, green chilies. 3 green chilies are enough. So fry it for on low flame. This is a garlic 1 teaspoon. So all mixed together. Cashew 7 to 8. So all fry it well. Now I am using coriander finely chopped. So mix it all. You can off the flame or you can keep the sim. Now cooked rice. You can see you can add it. This is a basmati rice. You can use any rice, whatever you want. You can see the rice. Now slowly mix it. This is a very simple, easy recipe. You can uh, eat with dal tadka. Whenever the guest will come, you can prepare. This is a very quick, tasty, and super easy recipe. Now I am adding in this fried onion. You have to fry the onion. For that you need more oil. So fried onion, if you use, the taste will be change. It will be super tasty. But the frying onion, it will take time. You have to fry it and keep aside. And you have to strain the oil from it. It will take some time. You can keep in high flame, but it should not burn. You can see it. It should be brown or pinkish color. It should be soft and bit crunchy. So it will come very tasty. It will now till we need some more. So this you can add in jeera rice or biryani. So this level almost, this is a pinkish brownish crunchy onion, fried onion is ready. So we can use this for jeera rice. Definitely try it the same way. It will be very tasty. So I am using this fried onion for jeera rice. Now mix it well. Definitely try it, guys. It is a very tasty, healthy, super easy recipe. If you are liking my videos, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Comment me in the comment box how is the recipe. You can see this super easy, tasty recipe. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye.